Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am here to plan out next week, which is the 14th through the 20th of January, and I'm going to use the monthly kit from Oh Hello, which is this cute like winter themed kit. It's got blues and greens and then this gray color and these cute little snowflakes. I might try and go find a green washi though to pull in with these snowflakes. I am jumping the gun though, because before we get to this week, we always go back and sort of finish up the last week, and I am filming this video very far in advance because my mom's going to be in town. It says I'm filming it on Wednesday. I'm actually filming it on Thursday, I'm not gonna lie. But I want to get this weekend planned because I finally sort of nailed down some plans with my mom. Let's get into that. On Friday night, my mom and I are meeting her friend for dinner. I mean, I guess she's not really my friend. She's my mom's friend, but that's okay. I'm still excited to have dinner with her. That's fine. Where are the full boxes? I'm gonna use this one because I already have a lot of purple on that day. So I'm gonna use that one, although, I'm kind of torn. I kind of want it there, but I don't like being able to see that header, and I want to be consistent with what I did over here. But that blank space at the bottom is kind of strange, but I have an idea. So we're gonna put this here. And then if I put one of these like sort of decorative stickers. Oh, what about this one? This one's kind of cool. It's a little bit much. Let me try this one again. I don't know. Let me try. Let me do one of these. Wine ones. These are from Oh Hello Stationery Co. That, perfect. That will take up that space. Okay, and then Saturday, my mom and I are gonna go get brunch. First thing. And then we are going on a wine tour, like a walking wine tour of the West Village, which I'm really excited about. I've never really done anything like that before, so I'm excited to see what it's like. And depending on what time the tour ends, we might try and catch the tail end of the Colts-Chiefs game. I am definitely rooting for Mahomes to have a great postseason. I mean, he's a Big 12 quarterback, and he's talented. And so I want him to have a good postseason. So I'm definitely rooting for the Chiefs in that game. So we're gonna mark that, and then we're gonna go watch the Cowboys on Saturday night. I'm so excited. Okay, and then Sunday, we are probably just gonna, to be honest, hang out and just watch some football until she has to go to the airport. So I'm gonna use both of these to mark the 2 football games. And then after she leaves, I know I said I wasn't gonna film on Sunday in my last plan with me, but I like re-looked at the schedule and turns out that's not an option. I am gonna have to film on Sunday. And then I'm gonna have to edit some stuff. And then I wanna take some time to sort of think about my routines because they didn't really work out for me this week. It was a bit of a mess. I think that there's a couple different reasons, a couple different things, but I wanna take some time on Sunday night to sort of map those out and really think about what it is that I want to achieve with my routines and how I can maybe implement them in baby steps as opposed to all at once, which is what I was trying to do. So I'm gonna set aside a little bit of time for that. I don't know if I like how much black is in the sticker. Oh, this column is not supposed to be black. It's actually supposed to be this teal color. I just only had that black workout sticker. I didn't have 2 teal workout stickers. So actually I'm gonna use this teal one. And then is there any sort of, actually I'm gonna take this one off and use a big box. Sticker rearranging. This is why I love removable stickers because I move stuff around so much while I'm planning. And then I'm gonna use this teal flag. Perfect. Okay, let me fill in some decorative stickers here. So I'm gonna use this guy for the wine tour. And then where are my YouTube ones? Actually, I think I put all the extra YouTube ones in the back because like I said, I ordered like 5 or 6 sheets. Yeah, like I stuck them all back here from the Coffee Monster Co. So let's put a little film dude in this one. I'm only going to film one video. And then let's put the edit guy here. Oh, hello. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Pen. Now time to go in with the pen. Since these are Design Pandemonium stickers, I'm going in with the permanent pen. Oh, this one seems like it's dying a little bit. Let's use this one instead. I put those little wine guys for dinner tomorrow, but to be honest, I might not drink at dinner. I mentioned this before in a couple different places. I'm trying to be really thoughtful about the amount of alcohol that I take in, and the easiest way for me to do that is to just like limit it by day. So only drink a certain number of days in a given week. Really right now I'm trying to do 1 day per week. I'm allowed to pick 1 day per week, and that's the day that I drink. And so clearly it's going to be on Saturday. Okay, so first off, I definitely spelled the word Chiefs wrong. I before E, Laken, didn't they teach you that in school? And then I couldn't remember exactly what time the Cowboys game started. I knew it was like 8 something. I knew it wasn't 8 o'clock on the dot. So I had to go look that up. It's 8:15. So let's go ahead and get that marked down. Perfect. I actually kind of like that those aren't the same stickers now. Okay. I can't really check a whole lot off. I haven't really done a whole lot of these, but I'm filming this and I filmed these 2 things. So that's positive. Okay, let's jump into this week. So I'm going to start with the bottom. Like I said, I do like that she cut strips that are perfectly sized to fit the Erin Condren, but depending on what the pattern is, I don't always use both of them. And they match up perfectly. So if you want to use both of them and basically have them be big one washi strip, you can, but you can also use them individually. I kind of like that she does that. And so then sometimes if it's a pattern like this, where it's not really cut off, if I don't use the other piece of it, then I will pull in some washi. And so for this one, because there was no green in the washi that came with the kit, washi sticker, whatever you want to call it, I decided to pull in some green. I was kind of hoping that I had a skinnier green that matched, and then I could do my white bow Simply Gilded, because that would look so cute with this kit. But I didn't have a skinny green that matched. I only had a thick green. And honestly, I don't love like the pattern on this washi with this kit. I don't think it totally goes, but the color is pretty darn perfect. Okay, now let's do the sidebar. And I'm doing the sidebar in green as well, and that is just because of the checklist. You'll see that there was only 1 green full box checklist, and next weekend is going to be a super productive weekend. So I need all the full box checklists I can get. So we're gonna do the green checklist, and then I'm gonna put this little green fox up here. How much of that is it gonna cover up? Pretty good amount. That's better. I thought about it, and there's really no particular order, like no reason that I need any of the checklists on a certain color. I thought about, I mean, if the Cowboys do get to play on Sunday, which would be so awesome, then, I mean, I'd like it to be that blue or the gray. And I liked the order that it was in. Her kits are pretty consistent with the number of options of the other stickers that you have, like from full boxes to half boxes to quarter boxes. So I don't have to make the decision on which column is which color based on that. The only times that I will make that decision is if there's a sports thing, or I like certain colors next to each other better, something like that. Okay, now let's do the workout stickers, which I make myself. I mentioned that. Somebody asked me that recently. I feel like I mentioned that. So I do make these myself, and I make them to match the colors of each kit. I want to say perfectly. It's not perfect. None of them are perfect, but they're close. I've been loving my lunchtime workout classes. It's been awesome. Okay, let me grab the half boxes. So Wednesday morning, I'm going to an event that is hosted by the Skimm, which is an email news service, basically. I feel like I've talked about it before, but they send out basically a summary email of all the major events going on in the world, and I love it. And I have been invited to an event because I live in New York that is hosted by them. That is Rebecca Minkoff is speaking. So I'm really excited about that. That is on Wednesday morning at 8 a.m. It's from 8 to 9, and then my office is very close. I'm going to be a smidge late to work, but that's all right. Okay, let's go ahead and put in the stickers to mark while I'm at work. I have tried cutting these in half before and it has not worked out for me, so we're just gonna do the full boxes, and sometimes it seeps into my evening plans a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, now to the actual plan. So Monday night, I am just gonna edit. I'm just gonna edit some things. My mom will have left, Sam will have left again. Tuesday night, I have my typical schedule. I go to the grocery store and then I have an appointment. Oh, that's the wrong blue, Laken. It's doing the wrong day. And then after that, I'm not sure. When I reassess my routine this weekend, I'm gonna think about it, because I think part of the problem is with the routine is that I said I wanted to start going to bed a lot earlier than I had been going to bed. But in order to do that, I need to stop planning so many things on the weeknights. And so by the time I get home from these things, it's usually later than I thought. So I usually have less time than I think. So I'm gonna just leave that for now. It's also, I mean, we're talking, I guess it's not that far away. And then Wednesday, I have a retirement party for a guy that I work with. I kind of would rather this be like a full box, because even though it might not go that late, by the time I get home, I'm not gonna go do something. You know what I mean? Maybe I'll flip it on its side like this. You can see these stickers are cut a little bit when I do that. Yeah, and then I'll put like a sticker there, a little like cheers sticker or something like that. Okay. Thursday, I don't have any plans yet, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Same with Friday. And Sam is gone all weekend. Sunday is still like way up in the air. So I am supposed to get together with my friends to work on our power sheets. But there's also football, and depending on what happens with the Cowboys, that could really shake things up. So, okay, let's go in with some of the little decorative stickers. So let's start with the YouTube stickers. We'll do this little edit dude for that day. That's it so far for YouTube. Oh my gosh, y'all. I forgot the Spurs games. I do this a lot. Not a lot, but I do this. Okay, let's see if we can get things to move, because it's still... And I pulled up the schedule. Like, it's sitting on my laptop right next to me. It's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Like, I memorized it. So I usually use these little icon ones that I don't normally use. Like, I'm not going to use this little box. And then I'll cover that up with a little basketball. That one. We'll do that one. That's going to make Monday a little bit of a tight squeeze. But that's okay. We'll do this heart one. The TV one. There's a lot of TV stickers in this kit. For someone who's trying to not watch TV a lot this year, it's not really helping. Okay, and then these little basketballs from Planner Kate to mark over the icon. Orange is a little bit drastic in this kit, but oh well. Okay, now back to this. So we're just gonna let that overlap a little bit. Now this one actually fits here a little bit tighter. It's okay. Maybe I will do it this way now. Okay. Use one of these because partly because I messed it up, and partially because the sticker is bigger, and partially because it's going to take longer than that tiny half box you tried to squeeze it into, Laken. Here we go. That's better. And then this is the retirement party. So do I have any? Maybe use this big wine guy. That's cute. Okay. Okay. I think that's it in terms of stickers. All right, now it is time to go in with the pen. So last week I asked y'all if you like seeing the videos that I'm going to post before I post them. And there was sort of a mixed response. Some people said they would love to see it, and some people said they wouldn't. So I'm a little torn on what I should do there, because the people that don't want to see it, like, I don't want to ruin the surprise by writing them in. So we'll see. But I also want to say a big thank you to the number of people that said that they have notifications turned on. Appreciate it means a lot that you enjoy my videos so much that you have notifications turned on. As a consumer of YouTube, I know that that is, you know, a bigger commitment than just subscribing. And as somebody who doesn't like to have a lot of notifications on their phone, like I hate the little red dot. I can't handle it. I always keep it cleaned out. I'm very picky about the notifications that I have turned on for other channels. So it really does mean a lot. Also, y'all, all right, I realized I said it out loud. Like I said Friday, Sunday for the Spurs games. And then I went ahead and did it Thursday, Saturday. So that's wrong. I'm just wasting stickers all over the place. And I ripped my planner because I was careless at lifting it up. Oh, I'm a hot mess today, y'all. That's what happens when I impromptu switched up my plans for yesterday and hung out with Kristen of Chrissy Designs, who I love. And I'm so glad that I got to see her and her family while they were here in New York. But it did mean that the videos I was supposed to film yesterday didn't get filmed until today. And I also have things I need to do today before my mom gets here tomorrow. So it's just a lot of things going on. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't even thought about the to-dos. It really does depend on everything that I get done this week. And then I forgot to do it last week, but I do wanna make sure that I keep moving stuff from this page to my weekly layout. So I probably will do that as part of a weekly vlog, like where I go and move stuff over for this upcoming week, but we're gonna leave it at this for now. I really like these colors. They might have been too pastel when I first looked at them, but they're happy and bright, and I think it looks very clean and simple. Her kits always do. Her kits don't have a bunch of like little intricate stickers, so I feel like my weeks always look very nice and clean. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning!